Remix! Yes, crew, back with another remix competition this year, the Weekend Remix. And this time, I've chosen a hardcore classic from my old school back catalogue collection, The Weekend, originally released on Big City Records back in 1990 something. Comment down below if you know the year. Anyway guys, I've uploaded all of the samples for this track onto sampleoids.com, also along with another bonus 100 samples for you guys to download the pack, smash up in a remix, and also the 100 bonus samples you can use in your other projects as well if need be. And we're having a ton of prizes. We've got DT990 PRO Headphones. I use these all the time in my production. Perfect monitoring quality, professional sound for you to mix down your tracks with. You will also be given a remix trophy, which is absolutely priceless, an exclusive remix trophy, and also a £100 voucher to shop on sampleoids.com as you wish. Merch, download samples, etc., whichever you want. And if that's not all to top it off, a release on Brain Records. The actual track will be released on a Brain Records EP forthcoming. Watch this space, guys. If you think you've got what it takes, submit your music. If you want that exposure, submit your music. We're going to be having loads of live shows, loads of voting for this. It's going to be epic, guys. We want everyone to get involved, and for everyone who purchases this pack, you'll be supporting the competition and also supporting the channel, and you'll be getting massive shout outs over the period of the remix competition. And on the night, we'll be announcing a raffle for all of the people that purchased the pack and drawing a random winner of a special to be announced raffle only prize. So guys, may the best contestant win. Get downloading now. Get in there, guys. This is remix competition. As you know, we don't spare no expense. We go in on the promotion, we go hard, and you get a lot of exposure from this, guys. So please, all you have to do to enter the competition is download the pack. Link in the description down below. Peace out.